You guys ready to hang out and make some really cool, inexpensive hydro holiday plant gifts? She's a Red Aglaonema. You can get them at the big box stores. Makes an awesome hydro plant. And let's get started. Remove the soil from the roots until they look like this. Now, separate the segments of the plant to make individual hydro plants. With your heavy-duty shears, I want you to cut back the roots on each segment to about an inch until they look like that. Now let's wash those roots thoroughly with some high-pressure water. Great time to repurpose some old glass containers. Now I prefer cylinder vases because they have a nice wide opening, supports the plant well, and you can wash these things easily. Very important. Let's put our plant in our container, and we are going to fill that dude up to about an inch above the root line with nothing but distilled water. The plant may lose these soil roots as she transitions into a hydro plant and grows new water roots. Basically, they're going to rot off. So make sure that you stay on top of cleaning this cylinder as well as these plant roots once a week. Do not administer any plant food into these plants until they have some water roots, which is going to take at least a month. Now, once that plant has got water roots, we're going to start my schedule of hydro care for my plants, which is 3 weeks, nothing but distilled water. And on that 4th week, you're going to administer 1 to 2 cups of my pre-mixed Plant Daddy Jungle Juice plant food. Now, only administer plant food once a month. Please these guys in bright indirect light, and what amazing gifts. PlantDaddy.pro, where we sell the art of growing plants.